In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay an E-ZPass violation online. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official E-ZPass New Jersey website. Make sure you're on the correct site before entering any information, since you'll be looking up a violation notice or toll bill and may later continue to payment from there. Once the page loads, look for the section called Violation Notice or Toll Bill Inquiry. This is the area designed specifically for checking unpaid tolls, violations, or existing notices connected to your vehicle or account. Click into that section to begin the lookup process. From here, you'll need to enter the violation or toll bill number. You can usually find this number on the notice you received, so it helps to have that document in front of you before you begin. Type the number carefully and double check it, because even one incorrect digit can prevent the system from finding your record. Next, enter your license plate number in the appropriate field. Be sure to type it exactly as it appears on your vehicle registration or on the notice, including any letters or numbers in the correct order. Accuracy here is important so the system can match the violation correctly. You may also notice an OR option on the page. This means there's an alternate way to look up your information if you're not using the violation number and plate combination. If that applies to you, enter your payment plan number instead. This option is helpful if your violation has already been placed on a payment plan and you're returning to manage or review it. Just enter the payment plan number exactly as shown on your documents. After that, enter your email address. Use an email you can access easily, since it may be used for confirmation, notices, or follow-up information related to your violation or toll bill. Once all the required information is filled in, click the button labeled View Violation Notice or Toll Bill. This will submit your information and open the record associated with your notice. Then, wait while the system loads your violation details. Depending on your internet connection or the site's traffic, this may take a few moments. When the notice appears, review the information carefully to make sure it matches your situation before continuing with any payment steps shown on the site. A quick tip before you finish: if the page doesn't load right away, avoid entering your information repeatedly. Give it a moment and, if needed, refresh the page once. Taking your time and entering everything accurately can help make the process much smoother.